Hey guys, I am trying to install this old wig. Yes, it's a very old wig. Guys, I'm looking so tired. Look, I'm so tired. Anyhow, I'm trying to install this old wig and I'm getting ready for my trip in the morning. I'm going to get my hair done when I get there, but I'm trying to install this old wig. So let me see how good I am. I'm not that good, just trying. So guys, let me install and then you guys will see. I don't have a stand to put this on right now. The stand can't hold in here, so I'll do a thing and show you guys. I'll already put glue around here, so you can't even see it because it's dry. Glue is already dry, so I'm just trying to lay this down. I'm not a pro, guys. I'm just trying to help myself. Just trying to help myself. So don't judge me. Not a pro. People chatting on them phone out there. Don't want the hair to get into it. Oh gosh, don't want the ear get into the glue here, so I'm trying to remove it. Yeah. Hold a minute there, guy. I say I'm not a pro, guys. I'm just trying, to help myself. So, you see, it's just don't want the ear get into it. Don't judge me, please. Don't judge me. I'm just trying a thing for myself. Everybody has to do their own thing. So I'm gonna tie this down to see if I can melt it. Let's see what I can get done. I'll come back and show you guys. Let me just pin this up. Guys, it's too hot in here, so I'm going in the room where it is much cooler so this glue can dry properly. So guys, this is in the morning. This is the look. Because I haven't put anything on my face as yet more than my moisturizer. So seeing the different color. So this is it, guys. I'm gonna fix this here now and then see you. I'm running late. Bye. Hey guys, good morning. Just get through in the airport. It's a chaos this morning. And I hope when I reach I can get my luggage, The music is playing. So this is in JFK Airport. Going towards Terminal 8 for American Airline. I'll tell you have to go down, and then after we go down that deep escalator, we had was to go up again another one. And from there on, it was a good walk. It was a good walk, guys, to get to the terminal. My gate was what, 44? So it was a good walk. That's an advertisement board right there. I don't know if YouTube is going to trouble me for that. You know, but it wasn't a bad flight either. It was my first time traveling on American Airlines out of the US. I traveled on it to the US, never traveled on one out. So to get to the terminal, you know, see, we have to go up this escalator again. We just came down one, now we have to go up this one to get to the gate. It wasn't a bad morning. I kind of enjoy the flight, you know. I was so tired, I slept through some of it. Guys, the flight is ready to board, but I think I'm going to be all the way in the back. I think I'm group 9, so I don't have to go as yet. It's a lot of noise in here. The music playing, it just got down. And I'm sleepy, I'm tired. So let's see how it goes when I get on board, okay? Final board, so waiting for takeoff. And this flight take me to Charlotte, North Carolina before I get to my final destination. So this flight, it's about 2 hours. And then I have another flight to connect to. So let's see what's going on. Let's enjoy this trip, okay? my final destination. Welcome to North Carolina. Welcome. Guys, I finally made it. It is such a long walk. My gracious. Let's say 10 minutes walk from where we get off to find this other gate for the flight. And we're in Charlotte, North Carolina. It's gate D2. It's my first time in this airport. It is a long walk. Okay, this is it. So I have to look for the information board. It's not lighted up. Let me go chat with them. I'll get back with you. Welcome to the Grand Cayman Island, guys. And this is how we deplane. This is how we deplane. Welcome to the Cayman Island. That's American Airlines, so we're now going through customs. So guys, I will catch up with you when I go in, because I don't think I can video in there. So after I come back out, I will catch up with you guys. Hey guys, welcome to the Cayman Island. And your girl reached, just pick up the car. It was a hassle, you know. The airport was so packed, so full, guys. It's the Cayman Island. This is the Cayman Island, guys. I wish I had something there to put you guys on so you guys can see when I'm driving, but I guess I have to do what I can do to show you guys around. Okay, so guys, let me hit the road. I'll catch up back with you. I am in the Cayman Island for my birthday. Thank you guys, and please remember to like, subscribe, comment and share. Please guys, subscribe, turn your notification bell on to all, so when your girl posts, you'll be notified, because I plan to go some places to, you know, have fun, show you guys around. So turn your notification bell on to all. Okay, and welcome to the Cayman Island. Hey guys, let me show you the first game to the Cayman Island. Right there where you see those vehicles parked in the yard. And the second place right there, this is where I used to work. This is where I used to work, all of here. This is Eastern Avenue, guys, emotional, because it brings back so much memories, you know, to know where I started from. So I'm going in to say hi, but I'm not gonna take the camera with me. Okay guys, catch you. We're going towards Camana Bay. That's a beautiful place. Camana, right? This is Camana Bay. I think it starts from here, right? Yeah. This is Camana Bay, guys.
No, Camana Bay down here. This is the entrance.
This is the entrance. I still call it Camana Bay.
Still call it Camana.
Mm-hmm.
In 500 meters at the roundabout, take the third exit and stay on
National Gallery over there. Yeah, this is the Cayman Island. I tell people that it is so clean here, cleaner than New York. Some part, because some part of New York really clean and look good. Look how beautiful, yeah. Look how beautiful the place looks. That's Camana Bay.
So the sign there should understand.
Yeah, that's a sign right there at the roundabout. Let me tell you something. If you want to see roundabout, come to the Cayman Island. Full of roundabout.
There's another country that have more than we, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I was reading it off there.
Wow, look how beautiful and clean this place is.
Esterly Tibbetts Highway.
Look how clean and beautiful. Wow, this is what, a flyover? This wasn't here when I was here. This looked like some, when I got Connecticut. This looked just like it. Wow. Cayman are going with things.
Oh, yeah.
That's Foster's. Yeah. Another roundabout, guys. You know what? I'm gonna count the roundabout and tell you guys when. Not today, because I passed couple already.
From my
From
house
leave
to
the-
town, I have 12 roundabouts.
Oh my gosh!
From
Just
my
from
house to
there.
town.
Wow.
From Savannah to town.
Exit the roundabout onto Esterly Tibbetts
I
Highway.
remember this place
Continue
here.
on Esterly
Look,
Tibbetts
guys.
Highway for 800 meters.
More hotel coming up. This is Grand
600
Cayman.
meters. Continue straight to stay on Esterly Tibbetts Highway.
Okay. Go. Cayman with them bad self. Nice and clean. That's what I love
Continue
about
straight
it.
to stay on Esterly Tibbetts Highway. In 200 meters at the roundabout, take the
Why
second
our
exit
highway
and
at
stay on
Jamaica can't
Esterly
clean and
Tibbetts
look
Highway.
nice, so. Why it can't clean and look nice, so?
Exit the roundabout onto Esterly Tibbetts Highway. In 800
That's
meters at
another
the
roundabout again,
take the second
guys.
exit and stay on Esterly Tibbetts Highway.
I think that's a father up there.
Shucks. Watch
It
another place. It come off. Where is it?
come off?
Yeah. And touch it and it just come off. Got the indicator. And there's another roundabout coming up again.
So she stop chat today?
So 3 minutes. We'll go around and go up. We'll go around and go up. Cost you
Exit the
less. I
roundabout
remember
onto
this.
Esterly Tibbetts Highway.
I remember when Cost you
Continue on
less
Esterly
open.
Tibbetts Highway for 800
here.
meters.
Just about that.
Yeah. I remember when this open recent. Before me leave here.
Before you leave.
Yeah. What type of roundabout?
In 500 meters at the roundabout, take the second exit and stay on Esterly Tibbetts Highway.
Oh shit. Not a roundabout again.
My name resort is a farm.
It's a West Bay, so.
Oh, we supposed to go so far.
Kite never all the way in a West Bay.
Oh, West Bay it is.
Burgums.
Exit the roundabout onto Esterly Raleigh Key.
When I look on the map, it never looked that far into me. .13 minutes. Just 2 minutes now.
Raleigh Key.
Turn left. I forgot turn left here. So yeah. Watch out.
It's Raleigh. It's Raleigh Quay. I didn't left, but me no say.
Yeah.
In 200 meters, continue straight.
Okay, guys, I'll catch you back. Guys, this is Foster's. Welcome to Foster's Airport. This is a supermarket. That's a plane. That plane just landed. So I'm at the Foster's supermarket at the airport section, the entrance. You can hear the plane. Honestly, guys, feels so good to be back on this island. I just went and got some water in the supermarket. I didn't take the phone in because most of these places have music playing, you know, so I didn't want to have to do too much work. So this is my little ride. This is my little rental. Gosh, my hair is looking so messed up. Don't worry, by tomorrow my hair is gonna look so good. And I believe, guys, I put this on myself. Yeah, so I am going to go by my girlfriend hairdresser shop now and just chill out. And then when I get to the hotel, I already checked in, guys, but never get a chance to do anything. I just drop this stuff off and come back out with her. So we're gonna, when I get back, I'll video and show you guys how beautiful it look. Oh my god, it's a breathtaking view. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment and share, because I said to you, I have a lot to do, guys, a lot to take in and a lot to show you guys. I just wish I had a phone stand. I might just buy one, you know, just for the time, not costing that much. So I might just get myself one. So guys, I have to go again. See you when I get to the hotel. Bye. Guys, look at this view going to my hotel. I love where the hotel is. So quiet, so peaceful. And that's a new, I think they said that's hotel and condominium, something like that building there. You're gonna see the view from the hotel. OMG, it is so nice, so beautiful, guys. So this is my hotel. This is it. This is it. So I'll show you my room, guys. Guys, this is my hotel. And I came and checked in already, but I just checked in, dropped my bag and left with my girlfriend. I'm not gonna show you the room number, but I am here. Oh, yes. Welcome. Let me get some lights on. Okay. Let me give you a tour of the bathroom first. Turn this off. This is the bathroom. Very clean. Look how they do that. Look, guys. Look. This is me. Hi. Everything here very clean. Smell real good. I have an iron and an iron board there. This is a shower. very clean. I'm impressed with the cleanliness of the place. Yes. So that's my little couch there. And let me check what is, and this is a closet. Nice. That's my bed. Look guys, that's my suitcase. I came and leave it there. I don't ready to show you that yet out there. So this is the room. This is the look of it from this side. Very impressive, very nice, very clean. And I have a little kitchenette here. I can make my coffee. I went and stopped at the supermarket and I got me some water. Fridge is empty. I got me some water. I make sure I got my Lysol spray. That's a must for me. You know, staying. It's a little microwave. Coffee maker. And of course, let me show you the thing that made this place so nice. Ta-da! Ta-da! Guys, look at this. Look at the view. Look at the beach. Look at this little pond or a lake or whatever they call it. Look guys, OMG, the place is so quiet, so super quiet. This is what I need. What I need, guys, a little peace and quiet to relax. No noise, just the sound of the water. Oh my God, what more could I ask for? Thank God. Guys, this is the Cayman Island, yes? You see there? It's raining in the town. You see? That's rain right there. And that's where the town is. So I'm a little bit out of the town, but it's very, very nice. Very, very nice. So guys, this is where I'm gonna end this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And remember to turn your post notification bell on to all, so whenever time I post, you'll be notified. Because I promised to give you guys some video. I couldn't video everything today, guys. Was with my girlfriend who, for years we grew together. She was my hairdresser when I was living here, and my nail tech from back home. And when she came here to live, she was my hairdresser and my nail tech here also. So we had lunch, you know, I spent some time with her. And now I am back to get some rest. I was up from about 2. So now I'm back to get some rest. So if you want to come to the Cayman and you want peace and quiet relaxation, come to the Grand Cayman Hotel and the Holiday Inn. It's right there. Very beautiful, very quiet, peaceful. Just make sure you rent a car, because you're gonna have to be driving to, you know, get around. So see you guys. Bye bye.